Looking to save on your next purchase from Virgin Wines? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Virgin Wines page, you can find great discounts on your next purchase of wine. It's easy to apply a coupon or coupon code to a purchase on VirginWines.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you're looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with the coupon code needed to save. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with the coupon code needed to save. Once you enter in your address information, choose what you would like to purchase, head to checkout and you'll see the savings. It's quick, easy, and you just saved money. And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales by heading to Offers.com.